In a world that glorifies busyness and endless to-do lists, the one thing, the surprisingly simple truth behind extraordinary results, by Gary Keller and Papasan, offers a radical and liberating antidote. The book argues that extraordinary success comes not from doing more things, but from doing the right thing. It proposes that behind every great achievement is a single action that acts like the first domino, toppling all the others. The premise is simple. To achieve exceptional results, you must narrow your focus and concentrate all your energy on your one thing. The book is structured in 3 sections that deconstruct productivity myths and build a new system based on extreme focus. Part 1. The 6 lies that derail us. Keller begins by debunking 6 common myths that prevent us from reaching our full potential. These lies make us feel busy, but they distance us from our true goals. Everything matters equally. The belief that all tasks on a list are equally important is false. Success is found by identifying the few vital things and giving them disproportionate attention. Multitasking is efficient. Multitasking is actually a way of dividing our attention, resulting in lower quality work and longer execution times for all tasks. Discipline is key. You don't need to be super disciplined. You need the power of habit. Forming the right habits that make important actions automatic. Willpower is always available. Willpower is a limited resource that depletes. It should be used strategically on your most important task, preferably at the beginning of the day. A balanced life is possible. The pursuit of balance leads to mediocrity. To achieve extraordinary results in one area, you need to temporarily shift your attention away from it. Big is bad. The fear of big goals makes us think small. The book encourages us to think big and then narrow our focus to find the first step. Part 2. The truth. The focusing question. This is the core section of the book. Keller presents the tool that simplifies all decisions, the focusing question. This question should guide both your long-term vision and your immediate action. What is the one thing I can do, such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary?
Acts like a compass.
By applying it to your goals, you connect your larger purpose with the priority action you must take right now.
Part 3. Extraordinary results. The path to the one thing. The final part of the book explains how to implement this philosophy in real life. It is based on 3 pillars. Living with purpose. Define your big why. A clear purpose gives you the direction and motivation to make aligned decisions. Living by priority. Once you have your purpose, use the focus question to identify the most important priority that will bring you closer to it. Protecting your time block. The most crucial action is to block 2 to 4 hours each day, preferably in the morning, to work exclusively on your one thing. This block of time is sacred and non-negotiable, free from any distractions. In conclusion, the one thing is a manual for achieving clarity in a noisy world. Its message is that success is not simultaneous, but sequential. Like a domino effect, great results are built by identifying the most important action and focusing all our energy on it until it falls. By debunking productivity myths and adopting the discipline of the focusing question, we can stop measuring our worth by how many things we do and start measuring it by the impact of doing the one thing that truly matters. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights.